Now let us practice one or two numerical problems based on acceleration. So now I am going to erase this, and now let us practice some numerical problems based on the concept of acceleration. So please write down the first question. I am dictating the question. Please write down first question. The question says, a scooter acquires a speed of 36 km per hour. A scooter acquires a speed of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds. A scooter acquires a speed of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds after the start. After the start, full stop, calculate the acceleration of the scooter. Calculate the acceleration of the scooter. Full stop. So please try to solve this question by yourself first and then watch the solution as I am going to discuss here. Okay? So now I am discussing the solution. The question says, a scooter acquires a speed of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds after the start. मतलब एक स्कूटर है जो कि रेस्ट से स्टार्ट होता है, यानी कि उसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी कितनी हो गई, 0, ठीक है, एंड उसकी वेलोसिटी 10 सेकंड्स बाद 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर हो जाती है. आफ्टर 10 सेकंड्स इट्स वेलोसिटी बिकम 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ द स्कूटर. सो प्लीज सी द सॉल्यूशन हियर. ठीक है, सो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी ऑफ द स्कूटर, initial velocity of scooter, that means u is equal to 0, ठीक है, एंड फाइनल वेलोसिटी अगर हम बात करें तो फाइनल वेलोसिटी of scooter, यानी कि v, it becomes 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर. Now since time is given in seconds, that means 10 seconds बाद उसकी velocity इतनी हो जाती है. So let us convert this 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर in SI unit, that is in meter per second. So 36 किलोमीटर, 1 किलोमीटर इज 1000 meters, ठीक है, अपॉन 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So this is how we will convert it in meter per second. So this is meter now and this is second, and if you solve this, the value comes out to be 10 meter per second. This is the final velocity of the scooter, ठीक है. और टाइम टेकन कितना दे रखा है हमें, टाइम टेकन यानी कि टाइम टेकन इज द वैल्यू ऑफ t2 minus t1 अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर फॉर्मूला. सो ठीक है, तो आई एम राइटिंग इट एज t, टाइम टेकन इज 10 सेकंड. नाउ वी नो acceleration is defined as v minus u अपॉन t2 minus t1, या सिंपली t लिख देते हैं. सो अब हम वैल्यूज को सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं एक्सेलरेशन निकालने के लिए. द वैल्यू ऑफ v इज 10 मीटर पर सेकंड माइनस 0. सो लेट मी राइट इट एज मीटर पर सेकंड, ऑल्दो देयर इज नो मीनिंग ऑफ इट, ठीक है. 0 मीटर पर सेकंड अपॉन टाइम t इज 10 सेकंड. सो 10 minus 0 is 10 and 10 upon 10 is 1. So the acceleration comes out to be 1 meter per second square. Please note the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. ठीक है, so this is the value of acceleration. Therefore A is equal to 1 meter per second square. I hope this is clear to everyone. Please note down the solution. Please note it down and then we shall discuss one more problem. ठीक है? I hope everyone has noted it down. Please write down the next question. The next question says, a car is traveling at 54 km per hour. A car is traveling at 54 km per hour. A car is traveling at 54 km per hour, full stop. If its velocity increases to 72 km per hour, if its velocity increases to 72 km per hour in 5 seconds, if its velocity increases to 72 km per hour in 5 seconds, comma, then find the acceleration of the car, then find the acceleration of the car in SI units. Then find the acceleration of the car in SI units. Then find the acceleration of the car in SI units. So the question is saying there is a car which is traveling at 54 km per hour. यानी कि ये उसकी इनिशियल स्पीड हो गई, ठीक है? इनिशियल स्पीड ऑफ द कार इज 54 km per hour. So let me make changes here, ठीक है? There is no need of writing again. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी ऑफ कार u कितनी दे रखी है? 54 km per hour. So this is 54 km per hour. So हम इसे SI यूनिट्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे बिकॉज जो आंसर हमें फाइनली निकालना है वो SI यूनिट्स में निकालना है. तो 54 किलोमीटर, 1 किलोमीटर इज 1000 meters upon 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So now if you solve this, the answer comes out to be 15 meter per second. So initial velocity of the car comes out to be 15 meter per second in SI unit. ठीक है? Now it is saying if its velocity increases to 72 km per hour in 5 seconds. तो final velocity है जो कार की, final velocity of car v becomes 72 km per hour. 72 km per hour. So here it will be 72 km per hour. We will again convert it in the SI units. So 1 km is 1000 meters and upon 60 into 60, this is becoming seconds. ठीक है? So this comes out to be 4 into 5, 20. This comes out to be 20 on solving. ठीक है? 20 meter per second. ठीक है? This is the final velocity of the car and the time taken is 5 seconds. So instead of 10, this is 5. Time taken is 5 seconds. So now we have to calculate the acceleration. A is equal to v minus u by t. What is the value of v? The value of v is 20 and the value of u is 15. So minus 15 upon the time taken is 5 seconds. So this is 20 minus 15 is 5 and 5 upon 5 is 1. So the answer is again 1 meter per second square. So therefore the acceleration of the car is 1 meter per second square. I hope this is clear to everyone, right? So this is how the questions on acceleration are based and I hope these problems are clear to you. So it was all in this class and now we shall proceed further in the next class. Till then, take care. Goodbye.